Hello everyone, welcome back to HandiWorks. In today's tutorial, I'm excited to share a beautiful and easy stitching pattern that you can use to decorate cushion covers, tablecloths, or any other fabric items. Using graph paper as a guide, I drew 12 by 12 millimeter squares with a heat erasable pen. Feel free to adjust the square size to your preference. Smaller or larger grids will give different effects, so experiment to find what you like best. This project is easy and suitable for all skill levels. Anyone can achieve beautiful results with a little patience and creativity. For weaving, choose a different thread color to create contrast and visual interest. Weave the thread one side of the square and then the other, creating an X shape. I chose dark linen fabric and a variety of embroidery flosses. I'll be using an embroidery hoop stand to stabilize my work and show the process clearly. But remember, the embroidery hoop is not strictly necessary. You can complete this project without it if you prefer. This weaving technique will form a beautiful four-petal flower pattern within each grid square. Customize this project to your liking by choosing different grid sizes, thread colors, and fabric types. This technique can be adapted to suit various styles and preferences.